I'm the trainer for this Oracle DBA. So exactly, yeah, this is about our Oracle course content, Oracle DBA, Core DBA.
Okay.
So we are actually presently in the market. We are in 19th version. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
having like introduction to introduction to Oracle DB. Okay. So installation of the
Yeah.
Oracle database software Linux platform. We are going to see about the CDB and PDB architecture. Okay. So CDB, PDB creations as well, along with and managing table pages and managing storage space, undo usage, user administration, database user administration. Okay,
Yeah.
along
Okay.
with Oracle networking. So
Okay.
followed by backup restores. We have logical backup and physical backup. Okay, along with the different restore scenarios and like
Okay.
flashback concepts. Okay, patching
Yeah. Okay.
activity, and finally like monitoring. Okay, so we do some kind of new features along with. Okay, there are different
Yeah.
types
Okay.
of topics are there. So but let's go one by one
Yeah.
slowly. Okay, so just to show you high level what we're going to cover. And here our first chapter
Okay.
is about introduction to Oracle DB. So here about the introduction to Oracle DB. So here exactly we are going to have like now what is Oracle DB and this our main objective. Here our main objective we are going to see what is database and what is Oracle database and why a DBA needs a company. The company needs a DBA, you can say, and the main job response for the DBA and what is the product version you can identify. And very important section, the physical and logical phase of database, which is nothing but Oracle database architecture. So when I say
Yeah.
database
Okay.
architecture, right, which is coming nothing but combination of both physical and logical architecture. So out of this
Yeah. Okay.
chapter, the first chapter, this is one of the very important thing. Because if we know
Yeah.
the
Okay.
architecture thoroughly, right, everything is easy. Okay, so
Yeah. Okay.
you're running some select query, you're running some update query. Okay, but how the query is processing internally?
Yeah.
Okay, how
Okay.
the query is processed by the Oracle internally? What are the different areas are there? Okay, and that if you know the
Okay.
architecture thoroughly, I told you right, you're good in backup restore, you're good in performance tuning, we are good in troubleshooting. Okay, we are good in designing. There are many areas are there.
Okay.
Even you're
Yeah.
going
Okay.
to work as advanced DB also. You're having 10 years of experience, 15 years of experience.
Okay.
They'll ask you in the interview Oracle database architecture as an interview question.
Yeah.
They'll
Okay.
ask you. Okay. So let's move on
Yeah.
to the topic one by one. Okay. Okay. So let's move to the what is Oracle DB. So before we go to understand what is Oracle DB, right? Try to understand what is database. So what is database? A simple example of a simple definition of database. Okay, you take any database. Right now we are learning Oracle, but you take any database like MySQL, Postgres, okay, and MariaDB, SQL Server, like IBM DB2. So different databases are in the market, but the simple different database, right, to store, manage, and
Yeah.
retrieval
Okay.
of data. So database is but no system to store, manage, and retrieve data. Okay, so we're going to store data. When I say
Yeah.
storing data, means what? So everything, right? See, if you want to store data, you should know SQL language, basic language. If you want to
Yeah.
manage, I do update, I do delete. Okay, of data. So that no, I need the
Yeah.
SQL
Okay.
language only. I want to retrieve data. I want to see my data. I do select
Yeah.
queries.
Okay.
Again, you should know SQL language. See, right now,
Yeah.
you and me communicating how through English language. Right. So if I speak some Chinese language, you cannot understand. Right? The same way, so database can understand only SQL language. With the help of SQL
Yeah.
language, we are going to interact with database server. The same way we can add data. See data, right? Data is going to store. Okay, data is going to store in DB database level in the form of tables, isn't it right? So I told right now, I told you right now, right? Assume this is my database. Okay, but in this database, right, how we are going to store data? In the form of table only. No other way. Data must be table only. Table 1, table 2. Like this, and we'll be having tables. So what is
Yeah. Okay.
exactly the table definition? Collection of rows and columns. Table is about what? Collection of rows as well as some columns. Is like Excel sheet. Is table. See, maybe you will be having like text data, order data, video data, but finally the data is form of table only. Okay, and
Yep.
first of all, you need to build a table, means structure. Once the table is ready, you can add the data called rows. This is called like records or rows. Both records or rows, both are same only. Okay, so data is going to store, and the database is the form of tables only. A table is not in nothing but collection of rows and columns. Okay, and like that.
Yeah.
And what the table? Table is what? Which is database objects. Table is what? Which is the database objects. Okay, there are table is table is the primary object, which is the primary database object. The DBA is database objects. Along with you have indexes, views, sequences, synonyms, procedures, functions. There are many things are there. What are these? These are which are called database objects only. These are all coming, these are all coming to what? Database objects only. But out of all, table is the primary object. See, without table, you cannot create anything. Without creating a table, right? You cannot create index. You cannot have view. You cannot anything. And that's why table is the primary objects. Okay, that I mean to say. System intended to organize, to store, and retrieval data is called database. And right now we are learning Oracle database, which is nothing but like Oracle is one corporation, one company, one vendor. Oracle is one like company. We are running the database which is owned by Oracle Corporation. The same way, SQL Server. Okay, the Postgres database, MySQL, different organizations. But database is same common database only. Okay, and Oracle DB is which is used by RDBMS. Oracle right now we also call RDB. What is RDB? Relational database management system. Okay, what does mean relational? I'll tell you. Okay, so in the real time, right, when you are going to fetch data, I want to fetch data by select a query. I can get data from more than one table. That's the relation, like parent-child relation by using joins. Okay, so that's the relation and joins. And nowadays in the market, all are RDBMS. So if you go for SQL Server, you go for any database, which are called what? RDBMS only. And when you go for Oracle database, right, you can have databases like gigabytes, GBs. I can have database size, GBs, TBs, even PBs, and even exabyte also, EBs, exabyte storage. You're getting that, right, Mamta?
Yes. Yes.
I will be having my database sizes, right, in GBs, like TBs, PBs, and exabyte storage, which is huge storage. And Oracle can be installed in many platforms. I can go for Windows, I can go for Linux, I can go for Unix. Windows different flavors, Unix different flavors, and Linux different flavors.
Yeah. Okay.
That is the beauty of Oracle.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and Oracle can provide you different features as well, like advanced features, like which is called what? High ability features, like data guard, golden gate, and rack, which are part of the Oracle advanced features. Advanced, you can say advanced technologies.
Okay.
Okay, so which is okay. So please go for it.
What is it? DGGR full form?
Which is data guard, golden gate, and rack, regular application cluster, which are the advanced databases. So even right now we are learning core DBA, but future you have to upgrade, which is mandatory. Understood, right? Even right now we are learning core DBA.
Yeah. Okay.
Even you are going for data guard rack, right? Core DBA is forever. I mean to say, without knowing core DBA, it's difficult to understand.
Okay.
Okay, maybe in the future you will need it. Yeah, of course not all. At least two required. Minimum two is mandatory. These two are mandatory, and this is very rare people prefer. But data guard rack people use mandatory.
Okay.
Okay, so you understand. Okay, end of our training, I'll give you some example of what is dedicated. I'll give you some examples of demo. Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Okay.
End of our training, I'll give you.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, this is the DBA responsibilities. What are the DBA responsibility?
Okay.
It does the software installations. He does database
Okay.
creations. He do
Yeah. Okay.
upgradations. He do maintenance
Okay.
activity like startup shutdown.
Yeah.
He do manage the storage management. He do user creation like management, security, like
Okay.
giving permissions, roles, privileges. And I do some objects management. I do some backup
Yeah. Okay.
restores. Okay, I monitor my database proactively to have best performance. I do
Yeah. Okay.
troubleshoot my server.
Okay.
Sometimes, if nothing is working out from my end, I have to consult customer care, Oracle support team, like call
Yeah.
center.
Okay.
See, you bought one, Ajam, right? You bought one product. Maybe you bought one laptop, Dell laptop. If you have a laptop problem, what you do? You control the Dell people, right? Dell customer care,
No.
right? No, no, no.
No.
I'm
No.
talking. I'm talking, right? You bought one laptop, Dell
Yeah.
laptop, Ajum. Okay, you
Yeah.
have the
Okay.
laptop is under warranty.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, then now laptop is giving some problem.
Yeah. Okay.
Then what you do? You call to Dell customer care, right?
Yeah. Yes.
And ask about the issue, troubleshooting.
Okay.
Whether it's software, hardware, doesn't matter. The same way, Oracle is one product, right? If Oracle is not behaving as it explained, right? If Oracle has some issues, then what we do? We have to talk with the Oracle customer support.
Yeah. Okay.
That is called, SR raising, service request raising, by using Oracle Meta
Yeah.
Link, support link.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, these are our work only. Okay, so
Yeah. Okay.
coming here, right, in the market right now. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
let me go here. So right now, this is using tools Z, but this is not tools in the market right now because
Mm-hmm.
I'm working right market right now. We're having 19.3 is a
Okay.
base version.
Yeah. Okay.
See, I know Oracle started from 10G, 9A, sorry, 9A. I know Oracle in my 2008.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
followed by I work with 10G, I work with 11G, I work with 12C, I work with 18C,
Mm-hmm.
now 19C.
Okay.
Again in 10G, you have different flavors 10.1.0.2,
Yeah. Okay.
10.2.0.1. Next 11G came 11.0.6,
Okay.
11.0.7. Next
Okay.
11.2 came.
Okay.
So I know all these versions. See, every version they're doing small features adding. Everything same only, nothing is changing. The old behavior is same only,
Okay.
but they're adding
Mm-hmm.
some new features only.
Yeah. Okay.
So finally 12.1.0.1, 12, 12.1.0.2 and
Yeah. Okay.
12.2.0.1
Mm-hmm.
and 18 is the last one.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and now we are 19.3 is the base version. So I know all these versions, but I'm telling you, right, whenever we're discussing the present version, right, I'll try to explain you what was there before. I'll give you some idea. Even we are learning 19.3, but it's good to know what was the background
Yeah. Okay.
because in the market, still people are using from here. Okay, but no support DC. There is no support up to here. Support is ended. Oracle will not support you for any issues. Support is ended already here.
Yeah.
We have support only presently. Even 18C also gone. We have 19C presently market. We have 19.15 right now, which is like patch 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 right now in the market right now, which is called RU patch. We need to update the patch, which is covering our here
Yeah.
Oracle
Okay.
patching. We are covering on
Yeah.
Oracle
Okay.
patching.
Yeah. Okay.
Every quarterly means every 3 months. Oracle is going to release some patch. Like now, mobile, we do mobile sometime update, right? Mobile update, we do. In the mobile, right? Sometimes you get a mobile update, right? Mobile update.
Yes.
That is called like some patch, some feature, enhancement feature.
Yeah, okay.
Same Oracle also we are having some patches we need to update manually, not automatically. We have to update manually.
Yeah, okay.
So that is about this version, but I told you this is you can ignore. We have to focus on these two only. Major release and your database maintenance release. That's it. This is gone. The old story, which is not there right now. Understood, right?
Yeah, okay.
You'll be seeing the version like this, 19.3.0.
Yeah,
Maybe
okay.
next is what? 19.4.0. That's it. These are always zeros only.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. There is no the
Yeah, okay.
fourth column. There is no fourth column update. Only second column will update and first column update.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Yeah. That's what happened. So, and I told you, I'm telling you, right? Even from starting of Oracle 8 and 9, even 8 and 9, 7 also there. Okay. But everything same
Mm-hmm.
only, even up to right now. But only some changes are came, which are new features only.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. Coming here again. Next slide. Okay. So, which is about
Yes.
I told right, logical and physical phase of database, which is very important.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, which is I'm telling you the Oracle architecture is little complicated. The Oracle database architecture, which is complicated little bit. Okay,
Yeah,
which is
okay.
complicated only. Okay, but no problem.
Yeah,
We are going to spend like no enough time here to understand the architecture.
okay.
So architecture is always divided into physical and logical. Let me make one diagram. Okay, you understand easily.
Yeah, okay.
So just giving you high level, but we'll discuss separately. When I say Oracle database
Mm-hmm.
architecture, there will be always logical will be there and physical will be
Okay.
there.
Okay.
Okay, which is always there. That means, right, whenever we are going to create database, it creates automatically
Okay.
logical structure and physical structure.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, and which is there forever, always. When right now I'm creating database, right? What is my database is created? That means what is database started? DB started.
Okay.
When does the DB started, right? Then what happened? It opened, it starts the logical available
Mm-hmm.
plus physical available.
Okay.
When a DB stopped, logically stopped again. And
Yeah,
physical
okay.
also, you can see, but you can't do it.
Yeah, okay.
Understood? Always remember, when I
Yes,
start the
yes.
database, logical will be started, physical will be available.
Okay.
When DB shut down, logical will shut down, and DB also can go down. See, it's nothing but right simple example.
Okay.
I'm trying to watch one movie. Okay, I'm trying to watch one
Okay.
movie. So whenever you try to
Mm-hmm.
watch one movie, right? How you can assume I have one movie, say one movie called Jurassic Park. I have one movie, Jurassic Park, which is one movie
Okay.
file. Movie file which
Mm-hmm.
is there where in my hard drive, maybe D drive.
Yeah,
In
okay.
my D drive, I have one movie file is there. What is the movie file name? Jurassic Park, which is physically available at the hard disk level. If
Yeah,
you
okay.
want to open this movie file, right, what I need to have? I need a software, right? What software? VLC player. Assume.
Yeah, okay.
Install the VLC player, nothing but install software.
Yeah,
Then I'm
okay.
going to play the movie. So whenever you're going to play the movie, right? What happened? Tell me. Whenever you're going to play the movie, right? The movie, the file, the application, you're accessing one movie, right? Means it's playing, means executing,
Yeah, okay.
which you need some memory, right? Or RAM memory, one process as well. Isn't see open task manager. See, I'm open task manager, right? Okay, I'm open task
Yes.
manager. If you want, see, I could see my processors here, processors as well as see CPU and memory. For every
Okay.
application, see right now I have the Word document. Word document having it having one process, right? See somewhere Word document, where the Word document.
Okay.
Word document having some see Word document, see gone. Simple example, where is Word document? Yeah. So yes, Word document. See Word document having what? It having some process. CPU utilization,
Okay.
and some memory also.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay.
So you could find this process and CPU as long as it's open.
Yeah.
If I
Okay.
close it, those are the
Yeah. Okay.
release. Understood, right? If I close the application, what happened? This will release it
Mm-hmm.
from here.
Okay.
Because what are seeing it here, right? Task memory, which is logical. CPU memory is logical.
Yeah. Okay.
And file is physical, which my document file is physical.
Yeah. Okay.
Same way, my database, right? When I start it, it has to allocate some CPU and memory. Now understood?
Yes, understood.
But physical files are there at the hard disk level. Hard disk level. Physical files are there, hard disk level.
Yeah.
And they
Okay.
have relation, one-to-one relation, the relation,
Okay.
which is called my logical architecture, logical structure. What is it? My CPU memory, which is volatile, means temporary.
Okay.
Because if I shut down my server, if I shut down my database, so here, sorry,
Okay.
if I shut down my database, what happened? This will be stopped. Release CPU and memory.
Okay.
And see, if you want to access your database files, right? I have database here. Where here? Physically available, hard disk level. If any
Yeah. Okay.
user wants to access a database, right? They should come through the logical. No one can go direct like this. No way.
Yeah. Okay.
You take any application. First of all, CPU and RAM memory must be available. Then only you can access the database.
Yeah. Okay.
You want to add some data. You want to retrieve some data. You want to modify some data. Everything
Yeah.
happened through my logical only. If
Yeah.
if this logical structure, what we call no instance, Oracle instance, is called what? My logical architecture or logical
Yeah.
structure, and which is what? My storage, Oracle storage. Not clear?
Yes, clear.
Even though, see, I'm telling you, right, Oracle architecture is really little bit complicated. It takes some time. It won't happen. It won't. No one knows immediately. But I'm trying to tell you in different ways of example. Okay, and I'm told you right already. It takes up 2 to 3 days of time only for architecture only.
Yeah. Okay.
Only for architecture, it takes 2 to 3 days of time.
Yeah. Okay.
This is the final diagram. My server, right? My server. Take server. Same example. See, I told you, right? Which is my server. In the server, which is what I'm having I'm having my instance. Say instance. You take server, right? Server is there. My CPU. And CPU having what? My instance. My storage is hard drive. What is instance? Your RAM and CPU. See, memory structure is what? Which is RAM and
Yeah.
CPU.
Okay.
Processor called CPU. And the storage structure by hard drive, where your data is going to store here, which is my database, right? My storage, where my data is going
Yeah.
to store
Okay.
permanently. But where these two are located? In my server level.
Yeah. Okay.
That means, right, without this instance, right, this cannot be accessible. Assume due to some reason this is down. That means no user can have no connectivity.
Okay.
First of all, memory and processor must be available. Then only the user can access your database. Without this instance, it's dummy. You could see physically at a disk level some files. Only you can see, but you cannot do anything. Remember, right? In the real time, if this is down, means what? Your database is shut down, which is really not acceptable, which is production.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, right? So instance is nothing
Hmm.
but combination of memory structure and process structure. Which memory? Your RAM, primary memory. Here also memory we having. Which memory? Secondary memory, storage structure, secondary memory, which hard drive.
Okay.
We know, right?
What is
Primary
the
memory.
different? What is the meaning? The different in the memory structure and the process structure. Both are the same.
No. I'm telling, right? See here. My instance is nothing but combination of memory structure, process structure, right? Memory means which memory? Your RAM memory. We know
Okay.
RAM, right? We hear RAM, mobile RAM, CPU, system RAM, laptop RAM, right? RAM.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, RAM. Why? Because RAM is very fast for
Okay.
accessing, for processing. Process means what? Your CPU. We can check CPUs, right? Our laptop, go to laptop and check the back laptop CPUs, right? We have 2 CPUs, 4 CPUs. CPUs, right? Here, CPUs.
Okay.
See? Performance, right? If you go here, I have CPUs.
Yeah, okay.
I have what is the CPU capacity? Which is CPU capacity 3.0 gigahertz CPU capacity. 11th generation i7
Okay.
process. My memory, how much RAM?
Okay.
16 GB of RAM,
Okay.
which is the primary memory. Disk coming to second memory.
Okay.
Disk means what? Where my data is stored permanently. Hard drive.
Yeah, okay.
I'm just giving you clearly only this CPU memory coming under my logical structure, which
Yeah,
will be
okay.
available temporarily. But hard
Yeah,
disk,
okay.
right, which is my secondary storage, which is also memory,
Yeah,
but
okay.
storage, secondary storage, like storage structure,
Yeah,
where my
okay.
data is going to store permanently.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, I'll give you an example also going forward. Okay, I told you that this
Mm-hmm.
is something like no Oracle architecture. It takes some time to understand, but no problem. End of two
Yeah,
or three classes, you get some idea.
yeah, okay.
Okay, this is the hard drive capacity 256 GB. This is also memory. Both are memories only, but this is the RAM memory. RAM we cannot see logically, which is hard, which is one device only. We could see here only. Okay, RAM see every in your system, right? In your system, if you hear right, processor, you're seeing this memory, right, which is RAM memory only. Okay, if you want to open or access any application, what is the first memory? RAM will be used. Because RAM does processing. See, I'm right now using Zoom also having some RAM required. Understood, right?
Yes, understood.
Okay, but I'll give you even more clarity going forward. Okay, I'll give more clarity going forward. Okay, see here I told it.
Yeah,
So
okay.
database is divided into logical left side, physical right side. Logical is what happened. A logical can be okay accessible only when the DB open state. If DB shut
Yeah,
down,
okay.
logical will be not accessible. I will show you a command to shut down startup. Okay, I'll show you the command to start up shutdown. If I shut down the database, what happened? All my memory and process will be released. Okay, and the logical side, what we having? We have database objects like table pages, indexes. Okay, these all will discuss going forward. But physical side,
Yeah,
what
okay.
happened? I can still see the files even at the OS level, even when the DB open or close state. I could see at the OS level. In the database files, I'm having the three files are there, like control files, regular files, and database files. There are three types of files are there at the hard disk side. These three are the database files. Understood, right?
Yes, understood.
Here, database side, I'm having the three types of files, Oracle files, control file, regular file, and database files. I'll give you the clarity of these files going forward, okay? But these where it is
Yeah, okay.
storing at the hard disk level, see, hard disk level storing.
Okay.
So coming here, right? What is the meaning of Oracle architecture? Divided into three
Yeah.
major structures: memory
Yeah.
structure, process structure, and storage structure.
Okay.
These two are nothing but what? Instance.
Okay.
See, instance. Storage structure is about what? Oracle database.
Okay.
Again, you can also call database in nothing but what? Physical and logical structure.
Okay.
Logical is always instant, physical is always storage.
Okay.
And I told you already, instant is about what is called instant? Memory and process structure.
Okay.
Processor background both are same only. Okay.
Okay.
1 second, please.
Yes, sure.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'm back. Okay. So see, our meeting is ending in next 5 minutes. Okay, our meeting in next 5 minutes. So this is our architecture high levelly. But if you see the final diagram, it'll let me show you final diagram. Let me show you final.
Yeah, okay.
Which is my final diagram.
Yeah.
Okay, but I'm telling you, no problem. These are for demo class only. So in the next
Okay.
class, I'm going to explain you about
Mhm.
I can start from here again. I'll explain again here. What is the architecture? What is instance?
Yeah.
What
Okay.
is process? What is memory? What is storage structure?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
how the user can make communication server. And
Mhm.
we are going to explain the in detail memory component, in detailed.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, any queries so far, please? I don't want to, because this is complete theory for 3 days. After we have lab is here.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, this will make you really tough for architecture for everyone because it's theory only. And we are going to
Yeah.
see
Okay.
depth because we are the DBAs, right? We should know this architecture thoroughly. I told you already, without
Yeah. Okay.
architecture, no DBA. We are not the DBAs. If you don't know
Ye-
architecture.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm the real-time employee. I'm working. I could help you anytime, any doubt. I'll give you real-time examples. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
you could have, if you please let me know if you have any queries, please. I'll help you.
Yeah. Sure.
Any doubts regarding the chapter, or do you have any queries regarding the career or the subject, or are you
Okay.
okay with my speed? Am I going speed or slow?
Okay. How many days in the complete in the course? This course?
It takes 30 days of training. You can say 1 month
30
training,
days.
1 month training. You can say 1 month training.
Okay. All topics is completed
Yeah,
clearly.
all topics are covering. I'm covering all topics. I just told you the course content. I'll share you the content with you. Okay, I'm covering all the topics.
Okay.
But
Okay.
of
Real
course,
time.
yeah, real time. Real time.
Actually, I'm yeah. Okay. I'm looking for in the real time. So
Yeah, yeah.
that's why I'm asking.
Real time is
Okay.
what happened. See, real time is I'll tell you how it
Okay.
happened, but I cannot share my project, right? Project
Okay.
is right now to my company. I cannot share my project details. I can show you the real time way of training. I mean to say
Yeah. Okay.
real time how you get the request and what is the next action
Okay.
item.
You are working in the Oracle DBA,
Yeah, I'm
right?
working on Oracle DBA only for the past 13 years. I'm working on Oracle DBA.